Nichedge Academy, Growth Investing. Disclaimer: the information provided by Nichedge Academy is protected by copyright. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only. May not be reproduced, distributed, or used in any manner without the express written permission of Nichedge Academy. Please at your own time read through the disclaimer at your own discretion. Education, research, resources, source tools and training. We aim to educate via video format on the topic as we go through this presentation. We have referenced articles for research purposes from other reputable publishers where appropriate to assist the teaching of the topic. The articles are sourced from the Investopedia with titles and links attached at the end of the presentation. We use Scholarly, an AI-powered article summarizer tool to identify key information such as study participants, data analysis, main findings, and limitations. This can reduce research and study time by over 70%. The original PDF slides and Word document article summaries from Scholarly shall be made available for further studying along with the original articles as free resources. All further social media posting enabled by Scholarly may have additional Wikipedia links embedded for further educational reading and research. Callbot AI software is used to paraphrase definitions on the bespoke topics. Guide and train yourself on the topic by alternative options like the articles, PDF slides, video, Word document, or a combination of all free downloadable resources. Growth investing. A stock buying approach known as growth investing seeks out businesses that are anticipated to develop faster than the market or the industry. Growth investors appreciate smaller, younger companies with the potential to expand and boost profitability in the future. Growth investors frequently consider 5 major aspects when evaluating stocks: historical and anticipated earnings growth, profit margins, returns on equity, and share price performance. What is a growth stock? Growth stocks are those that are expected to outperform the market in terms of sales and earnings growth. Growth stocks often appear to be expensive, trading at high PE ratios, but such valuations may be low if the company continues to grow rapidly, driving up the share price. Because investors pay high price for growth stock based on expectations, if those expectations are not met, growth stocks can suffer sharp declines. Growth stocks in the current market environment. In general, growth stocks outperform during economic expansions when borrowing costs are low. Though inflation is lower than in previous years, increasing interest rates and sluggish economic development suggest that the current environment may not be ideal for these businesses. However, not all growth stocks profit from the same market conditions. Defining growth. Growth can refer to an increase in account value or capital appreciation for assets. Growing the value of an investment portfolio can be challenging since you cannot time the market and may, in events affecting investments, are beyond your control. The amount and rate of growth in your account's value will be determined by a number of criteria, including risk tolerance, time horizon, and the amount of principal invested and available for investment. What are growth rates? A variable's annual change is expressed as a percentage using growth rates. When a variable's growth rate is positive, it means it is increasing with time. When it is negative, it means it is dropping. When evaluating a company's performance and forecasting its future performance, growth rates might be useful. What is investing? Investing is allocating capital to projects or activities that are projected to yield a favorable return over time. The sort of returns created varies by project or asset. Real estate can generate both rents and capital gains. Many stocks offer quarterly dividends, and bonds often pay regular interest. In investments, risk and return are two sides of the same coin. Low risk typically equates to lower predicted profits, whereas larger returns are usually associated with higher risk. Article title and link. Growth investing. Overview of the investing strategy. A beginner's guide to growth investing. Growth stock. What it is, examples versus value stock. Value or growth stocks. Which is better? Best growth stocks to watch in February 2025. 7 simple strategies for growing your portfolio. Growth rates, definition, formula and how to calculate. Investing explained, types of investments and how to get started.